So, hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's vlog, I am going to do a very quick haul about my 2025 Health and Beauty National Sales Convention from Watsons. And I'll pick up randomly na lang kasi nagmabali ako. I'm going to work and then medyo matagal-tagal akong hindi nakapag-upload. I wish I can upload it as soon as possible. So, impisahan na natin guys. Disclaimer lang, this is not a sponsored video. I would like to share yung mga nakuha ko during the convention. So, first is Strepsils. Ikakalat ko na lang. Yan. Yung iba kasi hinalo ko na dito. So, I got, what is this? What is this? Calcium carbonate. And then ascorbic acid. And ito, Strepsil. Ascorbic acid again. And then, buti nakaabot pa ako dito sa Entrasol. This is good for the bones. Yung isa kasi doon is for diabetic. Hindi ko naman siya kailangan. Then, one of my favorite, parang first time nila nag-join sa convention, itong Most View. I also got this Scott's Vitamin C, pambata yan. And then, multivitamins, mineral crucible. Tapos, ito, when they called me to ask joining sa stage. Ayan, ito yung nanalo. Subaki. Buti na lang conditioner yung nakuha ko. And yung iba, hinalo ko na lang doon kasi I got also this one, shampoo from, ano to? Hindi ko mabasa guys. Pregrow, ayan. Then, a pouch. What else? Ito kasi mga loot bags or eco bag. And then, ayan. Iba't ibang mga vitamins. I'll share it to my team. Kasi pili lang talaga yung pwedeng pumunta doon. And then, yan. Psyllium fiber. Yan, trial pack. And this one, hindi ko na ma-mention yung iba. Ayan, ascorbic acid, a lot of ascorbic acid, deep sleep, supplement, bago yun. Then, Lagun B for, cough ata, ascorbic acid again, Bio 50 sa mga nagpapapayat. And what's this? Celetec. Yeah, I think it's from Celetec. And yung bagong items ni Watsons, 99 pesos to. Yung isa, glutathione. Ito yung, glutathione. I mean, niacinamide and kojic, but I chose this. And a lot of vitamins. Quick, hair fix. What else? Mga sushi. Tea, yan. Gusto ko tong tea, herbal tea. Mga samples lang to actually, mga pinamimigay. Ayan, I don't know what's this. Ayan, random na lang kasi. Ulit-ulit lang kasi. And then, itong cream cell. Nakakunin ko yan. Sony, and my own use. Uy! Meron palang Hemarate. Alam nyo guys, ang mahal na ito. This one is 300 plus. Ayan. Ipa ba? Kasi personally, I'm taking that one. Stress ball. And, ano pa ba dito? Ayan. Vitamins. Ayan. Vitamins ba yun? O gamot. And then, mga samples ng ascorbic acid. Ball pens. Dige ball pens. Ayan. What's this? Oral care. Ayan. Sana magkasya pa doon sa ko to. Ayan. A lot of ball pen quick fix. Vitamins. What's this? Ask of Forte Lagunibili. Pero usually kasi nearly expired na. So you need to consume. Potency. Hindi ko na inaisa-isa guys kasi I'm running out of time. And then alcohol, Nusef. And then Derm 8. Tapos IV Lace. Inhaler. si Bench. Parang ito rin ginakuha ko last year, yung blue. Kasi hindi mabibili yun eh. And then this one, again, vitamins. And Nivea. I got from Nivea. And then, ano to? Nivea CosRX. OMG Brazilian Blow Dry. Keneme. Derm Aid, Acne, DS Gas Gas. Ito, binilitan ko talaga to. This is from Watson's foldable umbrella. Kasi baka umbrella ako guys, and lagi nasisira yung umbrella ko. Then, Ersiflora, this one is expensive. Maganda yan pang nagtatae. And it's good for the gut. And then, Propon TLC. And it's very useful for me, cotton. And another soap. What else? Ballpen. Naputol guys kasi nga puno na yung memory ko. Ayan, ito favorite ko to from Watson's. Parang keychain yata or key holder. And bilisan na natin. And then inhaler na ano ko na ata to. Pino, tissue gel, what else? Peel off mask. Jeju and Clio toothbrush. Mabilisan na lang. Then I got this payong pala. Yan, I got this umbrella. And then Sistane Ultra, I don't know how you pronounce it. And then this one of my favorite, what I got is yung full size, yung the bigger size Golly apple cider. Matatry ko na rin siya. Alam niyo ba kung magkano to? It's 990 pesos. Then, yan, ito pa. I like it so much. Yung mga organizers, notepads. Hindi na ako bibili. Ang mahal nito guys sa National Bookstore. And then, naglaro ako ng games dun sa Trust. Yan, it's, bigay ko na lang to kay Sir siguro. Dun sa aming supervisor. And then, it's a cooling powder. Maganda to sa, sa back. Kasi kapag may initan ka or something, you have pimples. And, chocolate akin to. Kainin ko yan. What is this? Neurobion. Ang mahal din ito guys. Dati, moving on guys. This Neurobion, nabubulol pa ako. I don't know how much it cost before. Pinamimigay ko lang siya. But now, I need this very badly. And mahal siya. Then, tapusin na natin. And Head and Shoulders. What else? Ito mga vitamins ulit. And it's for the hair. Betadine, I think. And then may condom pa dito. And then zinc. Ballpen, Ceraphil. Meron pa ba? Ayun. I think that's it for today. Hindi ko na siya ulitin. Ayusin ko pa siya. Wala na rin akong time. Ayan. I-segregate ko yung for me and for the rest of my team. And I'm very thankful kasi out of 6,000 employees, ang pinili lang it's 600. I think 610. So, ayan, I think that's it for today's vlog. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And see you on my future vlogs. Bye, guys.